Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to reset Instagram Explore page. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And after that, if you want to reset your Instagram Explore page, there is no certain, just only method with which you can just reset it. There are a few steps you need to follow, so don't skip the video and just watch it till the end. Just head over to your search section and then go to your search bar and tap on see all. Here clear all of these your recent searches, and after that head over to your profile. Go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner and then go to your activity, and from here clear your likes, clear your comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, review, and everything, and go to recently deleted, and from here also delete these, and go to reels, content you shared, and go to interested section, and once you clear all these, your explore page will be reset automatically because there is no information of your account exploring or your Instagram exploring. So yeah, this is it, and then you just have to log out of your account and log back right in, and once you do it, you'll be able to just reset your Instagram explore page. This is how to do it. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.